Hello, kids, how are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today, we read our chapter, Animal Kingdom. Let us start our chapter. It's chapter number 14, Animals Kingdom. In this chapter, we read about animals move, pet animals like domestic and wild animals, and insects. There is 3 points we read in this chapter. Let's read this chapter. Avni swing out of house on the tree. Suddenly something fell on her face. Avni looked up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no! Whose mischief is this? This is the crows or the pigeons. It seems it's the crows. Avnis looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Which animal can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their names. There is एक अवनी नाम की बच्ची है हु स्विंग्स यानी वो झूल रही थी झूले पर पेड़ में उसने रस्सी लगाकर झूला लगाया और उस पर झूल रही थी सडनली वो देखती है कि उसके गाल पर किसी ने शिट कर दिया है और वो ऊपर देखती है क्रो यानी कौवा और पिजन यानी कबूतर वहां पर ऊपर होते हैं देयर इज अ पिक्चर गिवन ऑफ अ ट्री here is many kinds of animals pigeon butterfly crow monkey squirrel and all these are animals sit on the Avni picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheeks. उसने एक ग्राउंड से एक लीफ यानी पत्ती उठाई और अपने फेस के चीक को गाल को वाइप किया. But her cheek was sticky. वो अभी भी चिपचिपा गंदा था. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. उसने बोला कि उसने सोचा कि वो जाती है और तालाब के पानी से अपने फेस को वॉश कर लेती है. Which animal did Amni see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. A picture is given of a pond. Here, so many animals are there, like snake, goat, duck, crocodile, turtle, frog, a butterfly, etc. Bee and etc. Animals move. Yes, animals can move here and there in search of water and food and shelter. Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another place. Some animals walk, some crawl, some fly, and some swim. Yes, it is true. Some animals can walk. Yes, वो कुछ चल के जाते हैं, कुछ fly करके जाते हैं. Some animals swing, यानी तैर के भी एक जगह से one place to another place जाते हैं. For this, some animals used their feet, some used their wings. कुछ इधर जाने यानी किसी भी तरीके के मूवमेंट के लिए कुछ क्या करते हैं अपने फीट्स का यूज करते हैं और कुछ अपने विंग्स यानी पंखों का यूज करते हैं फॉर गोइंग टू वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. सम एनिमल्स इवन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ देयर टेल. वो अपने टेल की भी हेल्प लेते हैं किसके लिए? उड़ने के लिए. नाउ here is a picture given of a cow, bear, snake, and an eagle. We can see some of the animals in our neighborhood, but we can see a victory of animals in a zoo. Some animals are big, while other and small in size. हम बहुत सारे जानवर को अपने आसपास नेबरहुड में देखते हैं, but बहुत सारे जानवर एनिमल्स हम देख सकते हैं जू में, जिसमें कुछ जानवर बहुत बड़े होते हैं और कुछ जानवर बहुत छोटे होते हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज pet animals and domestic animals and wild animals. There are 3 types of animals. First one, squirrel, rat, frog, dog, cat, etc. are small animals, wild animals eat. Wild animals like elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros, etc. are some of the big animal like squirrel, rat, frog and dog. They are small animals. And big animals may elephant, rhinoceros and giraffe. They are counted big animals. We keep some of the animals as pet in our homes as they give us good company and pleasure. Yes, हम लोग बहुत सारे जानवर यानी एनिमल्स को अपने यहाँ पर रखते हैं कंपनी के लिए. Some of the pet animals are like cat, dog, goat and rabbit. They are pet animals. The animals which are kept in farms or near the house of the help of for the help in domestic works are called domestic animal. जो एनिमल्स हमारी हेल्प करते हैं और हाउसेस में या फिर फार्म हाउस में रहते हैं और हमारी मदद करते हैं, हमारी हेल्प करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. Some of the domestic animals are cow give us milk, sheep give us wool, goat give us milk, buffaloes also give us milk and horse. They are domestic animals. Now turn to wild animals. Wild animals are those animals which lived in forest. Some of the wild animals are जो forest जंगल में रहते हैं, they are wild animals. For example, lion, snake, elephant and deer. They all are wild animals because they lived in forest. Most of the animals have 4 legs or 4 limbs and a tail, but there are some animals which have no tail. Some of them are. Mostly इसके क्या होते हैं? Legs होते हैं, limbs होते हैं and tail भी होते हैं. But कुछ के tails नहीं होते. इनमें कौन कौन से animals हैं? Bear, chimpanzee and gorilla. They three have no tail. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, mate and safety from their enemies. Yes, वो अपने किसकी सर्च में रहते हैं? फूड, वाटर, शेल्टर. उसके लिए one place to another place they are moving, but they do not move in the same way. Different animals move in different ways. Some jump like frog, toad, etc. कुछ अलग अलग तरीके से मूव करते हैं. लाइक फ्रॉग क्या करता है? जंप करके जाता है एक जगह से one place to another place. While some of the animals crow like tortoise, snake, crocodile, lizard. वो लोग क्या करते हैं? crow यानी रेंगते हैं. उसमें कौन कौन से animals हैं? Tortoise, snake, crocodile and lizard. Lizard that means छिपकली. We can know more about the movements of some other animals through these rhymes. Frogs jumps, caterpillars humps, worms wriggless, budge jiggles, snake slide, settler glide, mice crab, deer hap, puppies bounce, kittens punches, lion stalk, but I walk. There are some animals about which we have heard only, जिसके बारे में हमने सिर्फ सुना है. We can't see them. They are no more on earth. वो अब हमारी अर्थ पर नहीं है. Some of them are dinosaurs, dodo, etc. Dinosaurs are not on earth now. Now, come to next point is insect. Insects are small 6-legged animal. Insects के कितने legs होते हैं? 6. वो छोटे और 6 पैरों वाले प्राणी होते हैं. They have segments body. but they have segmented body, but some of them can fly as they have wings to fly. इसमें से कुछ insects ऐसे होते हैं जो fly यानी उड़ते हैं, like house fly, honey bee, mosquito and butterfly. They all have wings to fly. Some insects do not have wings. Such insects cannot fly. ऐसे insects उड़ नहीं पाते. Some insects can crawl only. Some insects like cockroach and butterflies have two long bites on their head. इनके दो bites, दो antennae types निकले होते हैं इनके head पर. They are called feelers. Most of the insects like to live in the place which are dirty and dark. जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं उन्हें ऐसी जगह ऐसे प्लेसेस पसंद होते हैं जो गंदे डर्टी होते हैं और डार्क यानी अंधेरे में इन्हें रहना पसंद होता है. Some insects like mosquitoes and houseflies are harmful to us. Yes, mosquitoes हमारे लिए harmful होते हैं because mosquito कट करने से fever आ जाता है. Female mosquitoes spread malaria while the fly carry germs of this with them. जो फीमेल मॉस्किटो होती है वो क्या फैलाती है? मलेरिया, अपने जर्म्स फैला देती है जिससे हमें मलेरिया फीवर आ जाता है. सो वी शुड नॉट ईट एक्सपोज्ड फूड. हमें खुला हुआ फूड जो होता है वो नहीं खाना चाहिए, अनकवर्ड फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए. Flies when sit on eatable leaves, the harmful jumps on the food and the person who eat that food suffered from illness. जो मक्खियाँ होती हैं फ्लाइज वो क्या करती हैं? अपने साथ में जर्म्स लेके आती हैं और जब वो अनकवर्ड फूड पे बैठती हैं तो जर्म्स उस पे छोड़ देती हैं. यदि हम we eat uncovered food, so we suffered from illness. हम बीमारी से हमें जूझना पड़ेगा. That is the way we should not eat exposed food. इसीलिए हम खुला हुआ खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. We should eat only fresh and covered food. हमें हमेशा fresh खाना और covered food, ढका हुआ खाना ही खाना चाहिए. Our chapter has been completed. It's time to point to remember. Some of the animals we see around us are big in size like giraffe, elephant, etc. While some are small in size like frog, cat, rat, etc. We keep some of the animals as pets as they give us company and pleasure. Most of the animals have 4 limbs and a tail, but there are some animals which have no tail. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are enjoying and understood this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.